In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add camera to OBS Studios. By the end, you'll have your camera showing up in your scene and positioned exactly where you want it. First, get your camera connected. If you're using a USB webcam, plug it directly into your computer and give it a moment to be detected. If you're using a DSLR or mirrorless camera, connect it through a capture card and make sure the camera is powered on and set to video or movie mode. It helps to close any other apps that might try to use the camera, like video conferencing tools, so OBS can access it without conflicts. Open OBS Studio and look toward the bottom of the window. You'll see the scenes box on the left and the sources box next to it. Now think of a scene as your canvas and sources as the individual items you place on that canvas. Select the scene where you want the camera to appear. Now go to the sources box and click the plus icon to add something new. From the list, choose video capture device. That's the source type OBS uses for webcams, capture cards, and similar devices. You'll be prompted to name this source. Give it a clear, memorable name, especially if you plan to add more than one camera later, then click OK to continue. A properties window will open. In the device dropdown, select your camera or capture card from the list. If you don't see it right away, double check that the cable is firmly plugged in, the camera is on, and no other app is using it. You can leave most of the other settings at their defaults for now. You can always fine-tune resolution and frame rate later. When you're satisfied, click OK. You should now see your camera feed in the main preview. A red bounding box surrounds it. Use the red corners to resize and click and drag the middle of the image to move it around the canvas. Position it where it best fits your layout. If you need a small picture-in-picture look, just scale it down and tuck it into a corner. If your camera doesn't appear or seems hidden, check the order of items in the sources box. Sources are layered from top to bottom, like a stack of paper. Drag your camera source to the top so it isn't covered by other elements. That's it. Your camera is now added to OBS Studio, visible and placed exactly where you need it. Save your scene collection so your setup is ready every time you open OBS.